All right, if you're looking for the best sales funnel builder for affiliate marketing in 2023, this video is for you because we are giving you a free lifetime membership to Leads Leap. Now, with Leads Leap, this is what you're going to get. You're going to get traffic to your website, humans, not bots, a list manager, 10 lists, unlimited subscribers, page builder, 10 pages, hosting included, pop-up creator, 10 pop-up, hosting included, link tracker, 199 trackers and 10 rotators, make money 5 ways, super easy, and more. You can read more to find out more about this when you click the link in the description. Then you can click this red button here to secure your position. Now, I'm going to give you a free training, okay? It's going to walk you step by step how to use every tool inside of Leads Leap if you decide that you're going to pick this up. Now, I understand that, if you're just beginning your affiliate marketing journey, that means you don't have the funds or the resources to get going, to invest into your business. So you need a free alternative in order to help you get going. And look, I understand because I've been there. Okay. But I want to share this with you so you can see what you can get access to with Leads Leap. And then, as I said, I'm going to give you a Leads Leap tutorial and a Leads Leap training that you can get access to. So stick around to the end of this video. Okay. 300 plus testimonials. You can read more of those here. You can read the comments on their blog. 171,000 members, 56 million real visitors sent, 81,000 apps used. Okay, how Leads Leap work, which is how you want to know. So how to get traffic. It's going to give you a drop down here, 5 ways to get traffic and leads. You just simply read through that right there. How to benefit from the list manager, why list manager is needed. You got to understand the money is in the list, but the fortune is in the follow-up. You need to be building your email list. Even if you're a beginner, that should be the number one thing on your mind. Building your email list of people who know, like, and trust you, because once you have the email list, that is something that you own and no one can take away from you. Okay. So we're going to be using SendSteed as the autoresponder. So you can read about that information here. Also, how you benefit from the page builder. All of these are drop down. So pop-up creator here as well. The link tracker here as well. And you want to be tracking your links. That is so important if you're purchasing traffic, regardless of where you're purchasing it from. It can be, Google ad, Bing ads, TikTok, whatever the case may be, solo ad. You need to track your links so you know where your sales and your traffic is coming from. Whether, especially if you're using solo ad, you want to know if people are sending bot traffic to your, to your links. Okay. So you want to know that. And how you can make money here as well. 5 ways to make money here. And you can watch that read that as well. Okay. Once you go on this page, make sure you come to the bottom. Make sure you see Elliott Marketing, my image there for you to go ahead on and get started. Now we're going to go inside of Leads Leap. Okay. And check out the dashboard. So once you come into Leads Leap, now I am a paid member. Okay. I am fully upgraded. You're going to see the welcome message from Kenneth, the owner or the founder of Leads Leap. And if you click on either one of these links here, I want to make money, boom, it's going to drop down and show you what to do. Okay. How you're going to do it rather. So that's how you make money with it. And it also, if we just scroll on down through here, let's see, then you can close this message out and let me refresh this page because I want you to see that. Let me go back to my dashboard. Well, it's in the tutorial somewhere. Let's see. Oh, I want to make money. I want traffic. Okay. I want to make money. And you can just scroll down through here till you get that. I want to build my list. All of this information is in here for your disposal up under the tutorials here where you can find it. Right here on the tutorial. Anytime you're ready to go back, just exit out of this. Now, what I like about Leads Leap is the fact that, one, you get to advertise within the system that, far as I know, there's no other system that does this. You get to advertise right here within the system. You can put up your images and your ads over here on the side. You get to do that. Okay. You have advertising, social reviews, link tracker, email marketing, okay, the page builder, funnel builder, pop-up creator, hosting services. You can host your images and PDFs on here as well. You get to earn that an affiliate. And even, you know, if you are a, what's the word I'm looking for? Even if you are a free member, okay, you can still earn 25% commissions, okay? So if I go to affiliate links and tools, okay, you can see up here at the top where it says, you know, 50% commissions, recurring commissions for the lifetime 50% recurring commissions for paid members, and 25% even if you're free. So you still have an opportunity to earn an income with this, even if you are a free member. Earn overriding credits up to 10 levels deep, and build 10 levels of followers on autopilot. Okay. So, and you would have all of your affiliate links here and everything. So let's just I'm going to show you some of the pages. You know, I've been playing around with this. I've been a member for a while, but I've actually been playing around with the page manager. Okay. First of all, we're going to go to the page manager, and you're going to see all of the pages that I have here. And I can just show you, you know, if I click on this one here, this is one of the page. This is something I use simply for solo ads, but you can go way in, you know, build beautiful pages with this funnel builder as well. Okay. So if I come down through here, you know, I have Live Good, all in one $25 digital business, opt-in pages, splash pages. You can just look at some of the pages here. Pages like this right here, you can do that with this funnel builder. If I go back up here again, let's look at the opt-in. See, that's the opt-in page right there. And then you come down here, you have a splash page. I have opt-in 3. So you can build some beautiful pages with here. And understand this, it's going to take some time in order for you to, you know, figure out this system. And that's why I have a training that I'm going to give you, you know, when you get signed up. Okay. So we have the opt-in page here as well. So you have different opt-in pages that you can create anything that you want to, okay, in here in Leads Leap to promote any affiliate marketing business that you're doing. So this sales funnel builder is perfect for beginners, someone who's just starting out. And you get to build, once again, you have all of these pages here. Everything, all of this I have set up, okay, and things of that nature. So you can build any page that you want, connect them together. And then we're going to look at the email. Let's go back up and just kind of look at the link tracker where you can track links. Okay. You can set up trackers for any affiliate programs that you are doing. Warrior Plus, okay, JV Zoo, Digistore 24, ClickBank, you know, whatever it is that you are promoting, you can use this to do that. And you can set up tracking in here because, like I said once before, with tracking, you want to know where the traffic is coming from. More importantly, you want to know if the traffic is real and if it's worth you investing your time and money. Okay. So you can set up rotators as well. I have rotators in here for Warrior Plus products for me and my daughter. Okay. Live Good. So you can have rotators set up in here. You have ad bars. I won't really get into that because I haven't set up any of those things, but there's training on how to do that. I have training for you on that. Email marketing. You can set up all of your follow-up emails in here. And the beauty of this Leads Leap system is they have share codes, which means you can share pages with your team. You can share your email marketing series with your team. And there's a way to set things up that when they enter in that email, it puts in their link automatically, and everything is done as quickly as possible. But you're going to have to go through the training to learn that. You have email series. Okay. All of mine are here. You have email broadcasts that you can set up as well. You can have blog to broadcast. If you do something on your blog, it's going to put it at a RS feed, YouTube to broadcast. Okay. So whenever I upload this video to YouTube, I'm going to receive an email. Okay. And it's going to just going to give me a YouTube to broadcast, and this is for pro members only. This is something I'm still playing around with and learning about. So just understand that. You have the funnel builder. Now with the funnel builder, you have to build your pages in the page manager, and then you can take those pages and group them together inside of the funnel builder. Okay. So I'm going to do some training on each of these, but I'm just giving you the gist of it right now. You have a pop-up form creator, all of that things right there, cookie generator. You can host your images in here. If you notice, I have images in here. All of this, everything you need to run your business with your affiliate marketing business can be used inside of Lead Sleep. You have a PDF manager. Okay. Then of course you have your affiliate commissions here and things of that nature. You have co-op earnings. This is something I need to set up and get working with as well. You got PPC earnings and things of that nature. Credit encashment. Okay, things of that nature. You have daily active bonuses. All of this is in here. You can view your referrals and your followers. You can manage your referrals and your followers. And then you have the affiliate links and tools and affiliate traffic stats and things of that nature. Okay, so you have all of that inside of Lead Sleep. And once again, you get to advertise, promote your business opportunity over here on the right hand side of this. Okay. And that goes back up to advertising and credit. So I'm going to end this video, but I want to just show you, what you can get access to just from getting a free account. Now, in order to get the paid account, it's only $27 per month, I believe, for the paid account. My account is paid for. I have people who've joined me in it, so I am earning income with this. So what I would, just go ahead and click the link in the description to go ahead on and get started today. And when you get started today, I'm actually going to give you, this free training course. Now, I did not create this course. This course was actually created by a friend of mine that I joined in a business opportunity, and he put together this full Lead Sleep training. You got the main dashboard overview, how to set up your ads, image ad creation, reviews, tracking links, all of this good stuff right here. And if you click on just to say, tracking links and rotators, well, it's going to open up with the video in here. Okay. It has notes, and it's going to walk you through tracking link rotators and ad bars, which is going to be each section over here that you're going to get access to. So you'll have all the training that you need in order to get going in the right direction. Okay. So that's pretty much it. That's what you're going to get. So if you decide you want to join, go ahead and click the link in the description so you can get signed up with Lead Sleep. And if you have any questions, my information will be above in this video or below. Okay. So just reach out to me and I'll try to answer any question that you may have. But this training should help you with everything in here inside of Lead Sleep. And if you're looking for the best free sales funnel builder for affiliate marketing in 2023, then this is the tool for you. Now, I have another funnel builder that I use. Okay. I will forever use it. But if you're a beginner, you may want to check this one out so you can get started. Okay. And so you can share this with your team, share this with other people. Okay. And earn a commission even if you are a free member. So with that being said, click the link in the description. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.